Unlocking the mystery, the present perfect tense in information questions. Hello, English learners around the world. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: the present perfect tense in information questions. This tense might seem a bit tricky, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand it and be able to use it effectively in your conversations. Before we dive into asking information questions, let's first understand the present perfect tense. This tense is used when we talk about an action that happened at an undefined time in the past or that started in the past and continues in the present. To form the present perfect tense, we use subject plus have, has plus past participle of the main verb. For example, I have visited Paris. She has read the book. Now, let's get to the heart of our topic: forming information questions in the present perfect tense. The general structure is have, has plus subject plus past participle of the main verb plus rest of the question. For example, have you visited Paris? Has she read the book? Notice how the subject and have, has, switch places when forming a question. So far, so good. Now, what about the WH questions, those that start with words like who, what, where, when, why, and how? The structure is WH word plus have, has plus subject plus past participle of the main verb plus rest of the question. For example, what have you seen at the museum? Why has she left the party? Let's practice. Think about how you would ask these questions in the present perfect tense. You're asking about someone's travel experiences. You're curious about the books your friend has read. You want to know about someone's work experience. The answers might be: have you traveled abroad? What books have you read recently? Where have you worked before? And there you have it, folks. That's the magic of using the present perfect tense in information questions. Remember, it might take some time to get used to it, but practice makes perfect. I hope this video helps you on your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!